Yo, greetings guys. This is Easy from RZ Easy Customizer, and I'm back for another video. But this time around, it's just a simple video. Well, I'm going to show you guys the assembling process of my new project. If you guys are following up this project, this is the Unit 01, the Glaive, high grade, the Reminizer, and also the Raminizer. These are two units, different units that can merge into one. Well, the Reminizer is basically the blue unit here that I'm currently assembling right now, and the Raminizer is actually the backpack unit or the support unit at the back, and it is going to be the red one that you guys will see. I'm assembling them now. And so basically, if you guys can see the zero decal, the number 0 decal on the left shoulder of the Reminizer, well, it is actually the unit 0 Reminizer, and the unit 1 is actually for the Reminizer, the backpack. So if both units merge together, become one, so it become a 01. So basically that's the idea of the name for this project. Let me just introduce you the why I name it as a Reminizer. Well, these two are actually inspired from the character Ram and Ram in the ReZero. If you guys ever watch the ReZero anime, the Ram and Ram, those two twins are really cute. Well, I just get the name and also the color scheme. Well, since Ram is blue, so I paint the Ram in blue. A combination, the color combination with the black, flat black, with some gray for the frames, and also blue for Reminizer and the red for the Reminizer. Well, that one is actually just you know a very nice color combination. I really want darker mecha, so I decided to do a darker this time and just added a little bit of color like blue and red to the parts, some parts of it. For the paint job, well, I don't use airbrush for this one here. I use 100% spray cans, a mix up from the Tamiya spray can and also some industrial spray cans that can be found in stores, hardware shops. Well, that one is very cheap one. Maybe someday I will try to get my own airbrush set so I can start, mixing the paints and getting the perfect color like the other models do. But currently now I just stick it with the spray cans. In custom building, you need to be ready to sacrifice your kit. Well, the custom build it, especially making a transformable kit like this one here, it is a try and error method. There is a lot of cutting, sanding, and drilling work to do for this custom build. There we have our Reminizer, the final look of Reminizer Unit 0. Well, in the blue color scheme with the black, with the gray, and with some gold, it just perfectly matched, and this is what I really want it to become. Next, I'm going to assemble the backpack unit or the support unit for your Reminizer. This is the Unit 1 Reminizer. Actually, Reminizer is supposed to be in pink color scheme because Ram is blue, Ram is actually pink, but I changed the pink to red instead. Just because the red looks much more cool compared to the pink one. it is too gorgeous for um, well, it is too gorgeous for the mecha color scheme. Reminizer is inspired from the Seravi Gundam 2 and also the Seraphim Gundam from Gundam 00 series. This unit carries the long-range weapons. Both hand has the rifle, and also the legs are actually the mega launcher that can turn into a leg and also turn into a weapon for the Reminizer. Aside from that, this backpack, it can become, well, in the backpack mode, it can become a thruster for the Reminizer, so it can generate much firepower for the thruster. And while in the support unit mode, or if it detached from the Reminizer, and it will become a support unit, a very reliable support unit, because this one has two shield on the shoulder and also the long-range weapons equipped with it. There are also Gatling guns that I put on the top of the man body part. Just want it to look pretty badass in those Gatling guns. There we have our Raminizer. These two black pieces are actually for the handle when the legs turning into the mega launcher. This is the weapon for the Reminizer. Well, if you guys ever seen the anime, Rem is actually handling a Morningstar weapon. So I got this ball here from the Grandpa Gundam, and also a pistol here. Just want to make it looks pretty cool. So I use a pistol with the Morningstar, combining them together and become this weapon here. The chain, yes, the chain is also from the Grandpa Gundam itself. The weapon is attached to the right arm of the Reminizer. Aside from that Morningstar, a katana is also equipped with this Reminizer unit. So basically the Reminizer is mostly handling all the short range weapon, while the Reminizer are focusing on the long range weapon. Moving on with the Gatai mode, or the merge mode for this, the Reminizer and the Raminizer. Well, firstly we need to turn the back shield or the back thruster of the Reminizer to the front. And for the Reminizer, to turn it into a backpack, first we need to take off the legs, both of them, so this can become the mega launcher for the Reminizer. Next is to attach both arms into the shield here, like this one, by turning them like that. and moving this bottom part like this, covering up the main thruster for the Raminizer, and also showing up the extra thruster for the Reminizer. To attach the backpack onto the Reminizer, there's a two packs for the Reminizer and the other two holes for the Reminizer at the back, and just simply slide them in like this. For the Mega Launcher, just simply slide the handle into the hands. And so there we have our Reminizer and the Raminizer all both merged together into one, and it is pretty heavy. Yeah, to be honest, it is heavy. For the color scheme of blue and red all together become one, to me it is so nice. I don't know what is your opinions to it, but yeah, it looks pretty fine to me. So that's all my review for today. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Sign out.